Here we have a demo of the spatial VR training. So Russell is wearing a full VR headset, so he literally cannot see the real world, but what he can see is this proxy of the real world, which is this nuclear fusion reactor. Now there's a series of steps, so he's trying to learn a process-oriented task. So down here are two cores which he needs to charge up. So these are uncharged cores he's looking at here. And if he reaches out and grabs those, or one of those, he can literally, it's literally in the same place in the real world as it is in the virtual world. Now what he's going to do is to take that over and charge it. So he's actually going to take this and place it in a little holder, which you can see here. So it's, once again, he's able to place that perfectly in the real world. So there's a physical holder for it. He's just going to realign it so that it gets picked up. What it might be is the order, in fact, in this case. So you might have picked up the wrong core. So let's just see. No, that's charging. There it goes. So that's charging. And he gets a little sound effect. So he gets a little charging sound effect to know that that's occurring. And now what he's going to do is he's going to place that back on the reactor, but it's not going to work. Just do that anyway. So if you look up at the screen for us after that, Russell, and you can see here it says you need to basically take it and put it inside the containment area. So before he actually puts it on the charging unit, the process is he has to reach out and put it inside this containment area, which is just right nearby us, which is this big volume here that's being charged. So that's been successfully detected, and now he has to put it on the left-hand side of the unit, and he can literally see and place that in the real world, despite not being able to see anything in the real world. All right, now he's going to charge the other unit. So he's going to take this, place it on the charging cradle. You can see here, placing it on the cradle. It's charging up now. There's this little dial spinning around. And then once that's charged, he's going to take that and put it in the containment area to make it safe. So picking it up once again, transferring it over here into the containment area. Now he can safely place it on the base. So I'm just going to move over here so you can see how accurately he can position things here. So despite not being able to see anything in the real world, right on the right spot. So that's now charging. What's the next step, Russell? I think it's to grab the reactor core. So he's got to grab this additional prop here, and you can even tell there's a handle on it. So he can actually grab it by the handle. Once again, despite not being able to see anything, he can now grab that, place it in, and if you just check the screen now, we've got success. So we now have a fully working reactor. Cool.